Class 5 English Literature book Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. To whom did the woods belong? The woods belong to a man who lives in the village. Did the writer see a farmhouse? No, the writer did not see any farmhouse. Number 3. During which region or month do you think this event took place? Give a reason for your answer. Answer. I think during winter this event took place. It is snowy, the darkest evening of the year. Could be reference to the longest night of the year. Winter to December. Number 4. How did the horse signal that he wanted to move on? Answer. The horse gave the harness bell a shake as a signal that he wanted to move on. Number 5. Why do you think the rider stopped by the woods? Answer. The rider stopped by the woods to watch them fill up with snow. Number 6. Why was the horse puzzled? Answer. The horse was puzzled because they had stopped in the woods without a farmhouse near on the darkest evening of the year. Number 7. Where do you think the rider was going? Answer. The repetition of the line gives the impression that there really is a long way to go before the rider sleeps. Number 3. Refer to the text and answer the questions. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. A. Who is the he the poet is speaking about? Answer. The horse. Number B. What is harness? Answer. Harness is a leather straps and bells used to control a horse. C. What is the possible mistake? Answer. The horse was wondering why the man had stopped by the woods. Had he become lost? Had he forgotten to head for home? It was dark and cold, and the snow was falling all around. The horse wonders whether the rider has made some mistake in all this. Thanks for watching.